Kisii University has partnered with Mozilla Foundation to advance the promotions of ethics in the engagement and use of artificial intelligence systems.
This is going to be a nice project because Mozilla want to empower you people. And we are hoping that from this empowerment, some of you will do amazing work in this project. You never know, could be a breakthrough.
In a project dubbed Ethical AI, Kisii University aims to enmesh the fundamental ethical behaviors in the hearts and minds of young programmers across its technology schools.
I think it's a good opportunity that we have been presented to participate.
It will boost our creativity and innovation.
It is a great opportunity for us.
Bringing the issue ashore early in the lives of these young people is tantamount to casting the net early, and hopefully it will lead to better and decent graduates. As the program that involves a responsible computing challenge kicked off, our students were excited to be a part of it and vowed to take advantage of the program.
Mozilla has given us the platform whereby we are able to implement our ideas, come up with a solution.
The university continues to promote productive projects like Ethical AI to the benefit of our students. Kisii University, the fountain of knowledge.